5 Best Refrigerator Ozonizer Parts.
Here is the product number 5.
100% new supply board. If any question, we will be try our best COMMENT for you. Dear buyers, please note, if our product description is written clearly is 100% new products are new products, others 90% new all are second-hand products. Although it is a second-hand product, we guarantee that the test is good work before shipment. For shipment.
Here is the product number 4.
95% new D450A2. 50A2. HK251HH Board PM549DA3M06VER6. 0 used USD 30. 00/piece note for THP50UT30C TNPA5336AB TNPA5337 of TNPA5336 of board good working 2 PCS/set USD 78. 00/piece hi friend when you confirm the order, PLS made sure your board.
Here is the product number 3.
Original air-cooled refrigerator timer. Original air-cooled refrigerator defrost timer/timer control switch/TMDE706SC refrigerator accessories parts. Please pay attention to the sizes of the item before ordering to make sure it fits your fridge perfectly. Package include 1 PCS timer, DS timer.
Here is the product number 2.
Refrigerator thermostat. The temperature range is 10 degrees. Applicable to order counter, display cabinet, preservation cabinet, wine cabinet, special temperature control. This product is made of high-quality plastic raw material particles, composite silver contact points, thick copper feet and production. Seiko manufacturing. The quality of all. Strictly control every detail. Keep improving.
Here is the product number 1.
Factory Direct Defrost Timer 4-pin. Factory Direct Defrost Refrigerator Accessories Mechanical Defroster for all refrigerator style and #8203. Package include 1 PCS timer. Factory Direct Defrost Timer 4-pin on the door refrigerator accessories mechanical defroster for all refrigerator style. Package include 1 PCS timer, DS timer.
Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.